Understanding broken dependencies.
Broken dependencies occur when software packages rely on components that are missing or incompatible. This can stop installations, updates, or even program execution. Recognizing dependency errors is the first step toward resolving them. These issues can appear in different environments, including Python, Node.js, and Linux systems, and are commonly reported as error messages during package installation or runtime.
Checking error messages and logs.
When you see a broken dependency error, read the error message carefully. Package managers like npm, pip, and apt provide clues, often listing the specific packages or versions causing problems. Check the official logs or command line outputs for further details. Understanding the exact nature of the conflict helps you choose the right solution and avoids unnecessary troubleshooting.
Resolving dependency issues with package managers.
Popular package managers have built-in commands for fixing dependencies. In Node.js, try npm install or npm audit fix. For Python, use pip install -upgrade package or pip check to identify issues. On Debian-based Linux, run sudo apt-get install f to fix and install missing dependencies automatically. Always rerun your install command after making changes to verify the fix.
Clearing and rebuilding package caches.
Sometimes, cache corruption causes persistent errors. Clearing the package cache can help. Use npm cache clean, -force for Node.js, or pip cache purge for Python. In Linux, sudo apt-get clean and sudo apt-get update refresh package data. After clearing caches, try reinstalling your dependencies. This often resolves mismatched or outdated package information that could lead to errors.
Pinning versions and manual resolution.
If automatic fixes don't work, you may need to pin package versions to specific, compatible releases. Edit the dependency files, like package.json or requirements.txt, to specify known good versions, then reinstall. For complex cases, remove problematic packages and reinstall dependencies individually. Keeping documentation of changes and regularly updating your dependencies reduces the risk of future errors.